Welcome to day 13 of our trip here to the East Coast. Right now we are at the North Carolina Roanoke Aquarium, and it's a fabulous aquarium. Has outdoor area, pier into the, that's a sound I believe it is, and yeah, it's just awesome. They have a turtle rehabilitation rescue center in here. Right now we're going through the outside area where they have insects and bugs for learning stuff. One of the last times we were here, there was dinosaurs out there. This is like a little outdoor exhibit, nice little walk. It's awesome. Indoor area is also spectacular. I'm excited to see the changes they've done here, but it's been 5 years since we have been at this aquarium. We haven't came to the East Coast since Corbin was born, and he turns 5 in November. Look at this. It's a moving spider. Sounds the orb weaver spider. So this is the bombardier beetle. 7,000 kinds of dragonflies around the world.
Never.
Ew.
I told you it was a dragonfly.
Yeah.
And the teacher almost drives out here on the boat.
Well, it's a river that comes from inland and goes out into the ocean. So this is a sound. We crossed over the Alligator River coming from Columbia. That was the first one we crossed. So let's look at my map real quick. This is the, what is it? Croatan Sound, the Croatan Sound, according to Google Map, and if I pronounce that right, which I didn't, I know I didn't. I do not English. Manta rays and the stingray.
Slithering around these parts. The diamondback rattler. There's also cottonmouth, copperhead, timber and pygmy rattlers, and the eastern coral snake. One bite from any of these guys, and there ain't no way you're making it out of North Carolina.
Look at the one that's underneath the log right there.
That's a big boy.
Got the albino one, and then the other bigger one.
Would you be a good fisher dog? Would you catch the fish?
Probably not.
Where did we found a treasure house? We won't find any gold in the ship. The treasures in the sea abound. Those majestic vessels we sailed around the world for quest of exploration, treasure. Now proudly live on as homes, all kinds of marine life. Now go forth and explore. Vedi vaya bien.
Yep, it's on. Dad, come here. I found out what it is. What it is right here.
That is a big lobster in there.
This is the kind of lobster it is. Doesn't it look like a lobster?
Gulf of Mexico stuff. Yeah, Atlantic.
One
Pufferfish.
Yep, there's the eel.
Oh, there's the eel.
Oh, and then there's pufferfish and that one. And there's a shark. Is that a tiger shark?
No. No, it looks like a little sand shark. I don't know what it's called.
There's 4 of them.
Mm-hmm.
There, good. You got to touch him, didn't you?
There's nothing dangerous except them biting. Except if they bite.
Oh.
Probably cleaning. There's one way back there. See the shell back there, number 4? Yeah.
Unusual amount of whales that are breeding all
Oh. Yeah, there's one on top too.
Nothing in here right now.
There's 3 different steps. You pick up your turtle, and that's 4 different steps. You pick it up,
Pick up your turtle.
and then you go to the X-ray station, and you go to
So you determine which turtle it is and everything too. You go to the here and you scan them.
Yeah, let me show you. And it's also an X-ray.
Oh yeah.
Then you have to give it a
Hello?
lead it over there, and then you just
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay, the analyzer port. It's right there.
Then you go like this. Put this in like that.
Nice.
And then you go
over here.
see that scar on shell?
Yeah. Shark bite?
No. More probably a propeller prop that smacked the back of a shell and damaged it. So now it's in
and
here.
also the fin, the back fin.
Yeah. You see the back fin?
Yeah.
It's kind of cut. I'm gonna say it was probably a propeller prop hit that turtle. And that's why the boat's on the bottom now. With all the oyster shells.
Alright, let's go release them. Come on. Take them to recovery.
Oh, shark bite wound? Oh no, poor fella.
I am all done. No, you
Now you have to take it to recovery. Please do not swim with the turtle. Yeah, don't swim with the turtle. Put him in there.
I can't.
Just drop it.
I put him in there.
I have the turtles swimming. Look, the turtles are swimming. Do you see the turtles swimming?
Yeah.
Look in their
Tap
head.
his leg.
Like, there you
Oh,
go.
yeah.